Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese grits. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need grits, your favorite cheese, and a liquid like water, milk, or broth. Stone-ground grits offer the best texture, so consider those. Make sure your workspace is ready and all components are measured precisely for a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Bring your chosen liquid, whether it's water, milk, or broth, to a gentle boil in a sturdy saucepan. Slowly whisk in the grits to ensure they don't clump together, creating a smooth base. Reduce the heat to low and let them simmer, stirring frequently. This slow cooking develops that wonderfully creamy texture we all love.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the channel. Quick recommendation: after enjoying your delicious cheese grits, you might have leftovers. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof food containers. They're perfect for storing your culinary creations. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your grits are perfectly creamy, remove them from the heat. This is crucial before adding your cheese. Stir in your favorite shredded cheese, perhaps a sharp cheddar or a nutty Gruyere, until it's completely melted and incorporated. For extra richness and flavor, now is the time to add a pat of butter and any desired seasonings. Your delicious cheese grits are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they are still warm and wonderfully creamy. For a touch of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh herbs or add an extra sprinkle of cheese on top. These versatile grits pair beautifully with classic breakfast items, various seafood dishes, or as a side to savory main courses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.